and welcome to episode 10 of Tech Talk. I'm your host, Andrea Vahl. Happy April, everybody. Google News got pranked by business magazine Forbes after the magazine published a fictional dispatch from the Republican campaign trail stating that Romney drops out of the race and endorses Santorum. Well, Google News confused the spoof story for a serious one this Sunday morning, April Fool's Day, and slated it in the page view driving top spot. Oh yeah, smart move, they took it down a few short hours later. Ha ha, Google News. There is a new Kickstarter project that is aiming to redefine how you shoot video with your iPhone. The Galileo is an iOS-controlled robotic iPhone platform that lets you manipulate the angle of your iPhone from another iOS device, such as an iPad or an iPod Touch, by swiping a finger across the screen. The platform gives you an infinite 360-degree panning and 200 degrees tilting. You can see everything around the iPhone and above it, with the only unavailable angle being what's going on below. Galileo has currently raised close to $270,000 on Kickstarter and only requires another $100,000 to go into production. The project will officially be funded on April 21st, 2012. And it's a good thing that's coming out soon, because Apple just filed a patent for a 3D imaging camera that will apply to both still photography and video. The new camera will likely become part of a future Apple device such as the iPhone or an iPad. The new cameras utilize new depth detection sensors such as LiDAR, radar, and laser that create stereo disparity maps using a 3D imagery. Additionally, the camera will use advanced chromescence and luminous sensors for superior color accuracy. And if that wasn't enough, the new cameras will not only include facial recognition, but also facial gesturing recognition. Something fun to look forward to. And apparently cameras are on everyone's minds these days, because the researchers at the Institute of Advanced Media Arts and Sciences have created a prototype for a new type of camera called the Ubi-camera that lets you snap a photograph by creating a rectangle with your hands. Here's how it works. You connect the device to your index finger, then form a rectangle with your fingers. The finger rectangle works as a viewfinder for the camera, and the photos are taken by pressing on the device firmly with your thumb. The Ubee camera is a built-in range sensor that can tell the amount of space between the camera and the photographer's face, and uses that information to create a shot. For instance, when you take a photo with your face close to the camera, you get a wide-angle shot. When you move your fingers further away, you can snap a close-up. Everything else you get to change on the PC and have all the fun you normally would. And in the spirit of letting your fingers do the work, Gmail has noticed the inefficiencies with the QWERTY keyboard on cell phones and think they found a solution. The Gmail tap. Oh yeah, Reed Morse, the Google software engineer and the relative of Samuel Morse, designed the Gmail tap by re-imaging the Morse code for a touch device. Every letter of the alphabet can be written using just 2 buttons and finger taps rather than the keys in a mobile Gmail device. The discussion topic of the week. Will you be updating your keyboard to the Gmail tap when it comes out? Are old school techniques the new wave of the future? Thank you for tuning in, and please check out my weekly Facebook Roundup with Chris Hulbert and Gratcast on iTunes, YouTube, and GratwickFilms.com. I'll see you all next week, and thank you so much. Goodbye.